gusto mong gawing business ang inyong hobby. Makakatulong sa Enterpub Plan. Enterpub is a company that manages small and medium businesses that are ready for franchising. Sinimulan ni Mr. Emmanuel Pascual, CEO ng Unified Products and Services, ang Enterpub noong 2018. Ngayon, sino nga ba si Enterpub? Si Enterpub ay para sa mga aspiring entrepreneur na gustong sumubok at tuparin ang kanilang pinapangarap na negosyo. Enterpub will assist you to start your own business franchise.
Here are the things that Enterpub can assist you. We will establish the brand in your desired area. POS ready na rin po ito to track your in and out transaction. Lastly, our marketing will support to expand the business through online and offline. Sa kasalukuyan, meron tayong mga businesses sa ilalim ng Enterpub. Ito ay Brewing Spot, Bento Pares, Siomai Connection, Takoyaki Corner, and Bochog Litson. At higit sa lahat, marami pang iba.
Lahat ng yan ay pwedeng mapasayo. Just ask me how at tutulungan ka namin para masimulan mo ang iyong Enterpub business. To know more about Enterpub, just visit our official page at tuparin natin ang inyong dream business this 2024. Again, this is Jay Balondo. See you on our next episode. #Know the Enterpub. Abangan ang susunod nating ibibida na franchise.